In this Cheelee app review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this app right over here. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if it's really possible for you guys to make money by watching, these short form content. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this app right over here is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So what you're going to be doing in this app is basically, you're going to be watching the short form content. It might be, up to 30 seconds to 1 minute, or maybe, 10 to up to 1 minute. And you're going to be watching the short form content and you're going to be apparently paid by the app, a certain number of money. So if you look at one of the screenshots of the app, so this is where, in the watch section, this is where you can watch all the short form content, and every content you watch, you will get a certain number of coins. And yes, you are not going to be making any money on the coins that you make, but you're going to be making money for scrolling. So as you scroll for maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes, you're going to be getting paid 10 to 20 cents. It really depends. If you're lucky, you get paid like 20 cents for just 15 minutes of scrolling. So it really depends. But this app is legitimate. You are getting paid, so it's all good. But there are some shady stuff about this app which I'm going to be discussing now. So as you can see, this screenshot right over here, it's almost $493 if you look at the wallet. But let me tell you guys, you can't be earning almost $500 in this particular app right over here. It's not possible to make that much amount of money. So when you have accumulated a certain number of money, maybe a few dollars per week, you are going to taking it out of your balance. But the problem comes is that they are going to charge you a 30% withdrawal fee. Yes guys, that's a lot of money. So if you make $100, they are going to be taking 30% of your earnings. So $30 gone in a flash, and you're going to be getting $70, and $70 will also have some of the fee which are required by people and all that stuff. In order to withdraw, you will have to buy one of the pair of glasses that they have. So the glasses are going to cost you about $6 to almost $200. So without purchasing them, you won't be able to withdraw your money. So that's kind of a red flag right over here. So if it were me, I would have stayed away from this website. The reason why I'm telling you guys is that you're not going to be making, the example I've told is that you're going to be making up to $100, which is not true. You're going to be probably making around a few dollars, maybe $15. That's the maximum you're going to be making, or maybe if you're lucky, you'll go up to $20. But the amount of withdrawal fees that they are taking is extremely high, and by the time when you're like about to withdraw, they are going to have you to purchase one of their glasses in their marketplace. So that's a big red flag, and the amount of payback you get back doesn't guarantee to be more than the amount you purchased in the app. So that is a red flag right over here. So if you look at their reviews, it's pretty high, almost 150,000 reviews and 4.6 stars review. It's a famous app. It's a really famous app, and almost 5 million plus downloads. But if you really look at some of the 1-star review, you can see some of the truth that's going inside the app. So these are some of the recent reviews. Let's maybe look at it. After the last update, the app has become useless. I can't even sign into my account. So some people are facing glitch in this app. So we have Avatar of Rad. He says it's a great app sharing its advertisement profit with its users. However, there are a few things I think are needed on it. For starters, I feel like it would make sense for beginners to be able to purchase glasses with the currencies in the app. So that's okay. It somewhat does reward you for watching content. However, you still have to purchase some of the classes. So this is a big problem to keep. So these classes are going to expire in, maybe a day or a week. So you have to first, purchase the glasses in order to start earning. So before you watch these reel content, so before you watch these short form content, you will have to purchase these glasses in order to, actually paid money. But you can also get paid without the glasses, but at the time you're going to actually withdraw the money, they are going to have you to actually purchase their glasses. So that's the biggest problem with this app, because they are taking most of our money, that we invest in this app. So that's basically a problem, and the money you're left with is really a few dollars, which is not worth your money. And sometimes people are not getting what they have invested in this app. So that's a big downfall. And this guy over here, he says, hey, I feels hacky. They say the smart starter glasses can earn $10 per week before breaking. The awards are pretty far from that considering the 5-minute daily viewing time. So you can get only 5-minute daily time using the glasses that's worth over $10, and could exploit the recharge to get more watch time, which takes 5 hours of recovery per minute of watch time, but the glasses just break faster. I won't even earn $6 a week. See, so suppose you end up buying a $10 per week glasses, and you're going to be only earning $6 per week, and on top of that they're going to take 30% of your money. And this is not basically worth your time, because they make you pay these glasses and you end up getting little to no money. So that's kind of a problem. Let's look at Blake Romeo. He says, I'm extremely disappointed with the Cheelee app. I thought it was a great platform with nice features like coin rewards and video creation, making it cooler than TikTok. However, the withdrawal process has been a major letdown. The 30% app fee and additional Binance purchase requirements are extremely high and unaffordable. I'm frustrated because I feel like I'm being charged too much access of my own earnings until they reconsider and adjust the fees. I won't recommend Cheelee to anyone. So you can see that's also a bad review. Basically, the amount you're putting in these glasses, and if you compare it to the money you're investing on this app, you will end up being in loss. So there are people that are making money, but a lot of them are getting, are not getting the money that they have invested. So if it were me, I would have stayed away from this website right over here. So that's basically it for this video of Cheelee. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check it out if you want. It's a cool app. You have this nice interface, but if you go to the money making side of it, I wouldn't just recommend it. But that's basically it. And if you're here and if you're looking to make another way to actually make money online, maybe it's $1,000 per month, maybe $5,000 per month, even up to $10,000 per month, you can check my favorite strategy that has personally helped me to go from almost 5,000 to almost up to $10,000 per month. If you want to access this free affiliate marketing guide, you can click the first link in the description. And I will hope to see you on another review video.